Yeah, so decorating or tiling your half wall, very straightforward. So we have our half wall item here in the plan already. If you don't have yours yet, that comes from the structure category here. And you'll see, you can also search for half wall, but here you go. That's the item there. So once you've got that in your plan, you've resized it to the size you want. If you go to look at the wall, you can see our undecorated half wall. If you select that, you can tap on the decor icon, and then you can add any paint colors you like or a tile pattern. We also have a few surfaces, different textures, paneling patterns. So for tiles, add a vertical stack tile, and you can see the tile pattern there. You can also play with things like the tile color, the grout color. So for example, go for a slightly yellower grout, make that stand out. And if you did want to do anything kind of fancier, like for example, add a skirt of a different tile pattern, you could do that on the half wall just by duplicating the item and then giving the tiles underneath their own sort of colors, patterns. So maybe do something like that. And yeah, so that's how you decorate a half wall.